Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar is attempting to gain momentum after Friday's price action triggered by Janet Yellen's speech in Jackson Hole. Now the resistance at 79.60 I do expect to hold, and another rejection to be witnessed. Therefore, if seen, would see a move towards 78.90. Now a break beneath there should trigger further momentum and suggest that the market rally from Friday has failed, and look down towards 78.30.40 and reassess from there. In the unlikely event we do see a break above 60, then I do anticipate supply will increase towards 80.20 after we recently witnessed two rejections from that region. The euro is attempting to break above the 119.60-65 after the dollar index collapsed on Friday. The concerns was the fact that Janet Yellen's speech in Jackson Hole may now have doomed her chances for the second term as Fed chairwoman, after some of the comments that she made defended the regulations put in place under the Obama administration in the aftermath of the final crisis in financial markets in 2008. Now, if this is the case, we do need to keep very close watch on the news coverage in case Donald Trump is not very happy with some of the comments that she made over the weekend, and therefore could actually see her be replaced. The crucial level in the dollar index is at 91.70.85. Currently trading around 92.50. The indicators are extremely oversold, so I do expect to see a rebound. Therefore, this could see this level at 19.60.65 hold. Now, do note we did see a rejection from there this morning after printing a high of 59. So there is some evidence that the market is showing good supply from that region. Now, if we get a break beneath 118.60, this would give further scope to the downside and bring in a target of 117.90 or lower towards 117.2025. Over the last 6 or 7 days, the dollar yen case has remained very firm above the 108.80 level. Now, although the technicals are bullish but not to the strongest of cases, I do expect to see a rebound from there and look back towards 109.80.85. Now, a break above there would give further scope up towards a 110.70 to 111.5. If by chance we do see a break of 80, then to the downside, then I do expect to see the bulls retaliate from 108.30.35. The sterling case, not the bullish, but still holding underneath 129.2025 after respecting the downside challenger towards that 127.05.15. I am still negative, purely for the fact is that the market is unlikely to recover due to the Brexit negotiations still going on. Therefore, I expect to see a rejection or even a down test towards the 128.40.60 area and lower towards 127.70 and reassess from there. The gold price action stabbed beneath that uptrend at 1,280 on Friday. But however, no follow through was seen. Currently trading around the 90 handle. I do expect to see any challenges towards 1,295 to 1,302 to fail and further tests to the downside to emerge, purely for the fact is that the indicator is supporting this view. Towards the support of 1270 could find buyers, so do be a little bit cautious if you are short and selling on the break of this uptrend. One thing to note is if we get a break above 1,302, then this could put a $40 rally on the market, because I feel the market would trigger to large stop losses. To wrap up with oil, I'm still bearish and I still expect to see a move away from this 48 handle and down towards 46.60 this week, or even extending towards 45.70 and reassess from there. So still see towards 48.20 or 80, or should I say sell into strength, as I expect to see this market fail on any bull challenge. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful start to this new week.